How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable the percentage decimals in Geometry Dash. So basically, if we play out the level right here, and then if we click on the gear icon, you could just click on the show percentage first, and then normally it will be just set to the main value, which is going to be 1% and above. And if you want to show the decimal points, you want to navigate back to your main menu, click on this gear icon, click on options, and then normally it's going to be inside gameplay. Just click on the next window option and then click the percentage decimals. And so if we click on the play button once more, we can then see the percent decimals right here. So before it's just 1%, 2%, and more, but now we can clearly see that it has this decimal points. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.